Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a transparent stroke in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. First, select shape layer or text layer. Example, use first select shape layer, double click the shape layer, then show this blending option or click FX blending option. Okay, then find stroke, check mark stroke, stroke size, and now see this stroke opacity, transparent. Apply the same process for the text layer. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.